Hey everyone, it's Parikshit here and welcome back to a new video. This one's an exciting video. We're going to be unboxing my brand new computer, the M1 Pro MacBook Pro 14-inch in space gray, and I'll give you my first impressions too. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Take the top off and you'll be greeted directly by your MacBook. You won't find a store receipt in here like I did. The MacBook is covered in this smooth paper protective sleeve, and as is tradition, let's lift it out and set it aside for a moment. Next up, we've got the paperwork. Inside this mini paper casing, there's a very well-made mini quick start guide to help you get started with your MacBook. Then there's some extra regulatory paperwork and a beautiful pair of Apple stickers in black. This is my first time seeing them and they look really nice. I always save my Apple stickers. What do you do? Let me know in the comment section down below. Beneath the paperwork, you'll find the 96-watt power adapter. It's a nice and compact brick. Next to it is the brand new MagSafe charging cable. It's so good to have MagSafe back on a MacBook. I've missed it dearly. Now let's get rid of the box and get to unwrapping the MacBook, the MagSafe cable, and the power adapter. Here's something I didn't notice during the unboxing, but the cable is braided. Thank you, Apple. Now let's unwrap the power adapter. Hi. Oops. That's all there is to unbox and unwrap. Let's set it all aside, and it's time to set it up and get it running. Once you open up the MacBook, there'll be this paper cover on top of the display. Let's hear that satisfying sound. Ah, perfect. And removing that, I can already tell how good the display is. Now, before I tell you my first impressions, I figured I'd show you a closer look at the MacBook Pro. Okay, so here are my first impressions after using it for a few days. I really love the new ProMotion XDR display. It's super smooth and content looks absolutely stunning on it. The viewing angles are amazing, it's super sharp, and it is without a doubt one of the best panels I've laid my eyes on. The way it goes to the very edges is stunning. On the performance side, its speed is mind-blowing. I come from a 13-inch 2018 MacBook Pro and this feels like a massive upgrade. Editing Final Cut Pro feels so fast and scrubbing through the timeline is buttery smooth. All this amazing performance with no fan noise and heat, well, that's a big thumbs up from me. And again, I have to say the return of MagSafe is awesome, and the brand new Magic Keyboard feels great. So much better than the old Butterfly keyboard, I can finally enjoy typing my scripts again. Also, the SD card and HDMI ports have made a return, so that's two adapters I can finally get rid of. And that's it for my first impressions. There's so much new with this machine that I really want to save talking all about it in my full review of this. So stay tuned for the full review that'll be coming soon. Well, that's about it for me in this video. I want to thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future notifications. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.